Tignan natin kung alam nyo kung sino to.
Hello?
Good morning! Last night, I received a message from Facebook from my sister. And the message was, "Te, Mama is pregnant." Okay? And your lingkod ng kababayan mo, oh my God! I kind of freaking shocked. I don't know. I'm gonna tell you a story later, guys, because I have to have some breakfast. My husband is calling me early in the morning because he's driving. Every time he drives, he wants to talk to me because he loves me and stuff like that. I will tell you a story later when I'm done here. My mom, okay, I will tell you a short story. My mom is 48. Very young. Yeah, because, you know, I think I told you, she got married really early. 15. And she had me like when she was 16, I think. Yeah. I have the croissants again. Well, I thought, oh shucks. I really thought I don't have croissants, but I found it behind everything in the freezer. And last night, the other night, 3 o'clock in the morning, I heard an owl. The owl in the trees, the side of our house. Oh, making too much noises, and what happened was, I said, I'm just listening, there's no music, nothing, so it's so quiet. All I heard is the owl singing. I don't know, singing or making noises, and it's very cute and relaxing kind of thing. And I told my husband it, and he liked it, that there is an owl here. I went to the shower a while ago, and I just not just really get out, 30 minutes ago, I got out from the shower. I really want to go get the mail, but I can't go out in this side, so I guess I have to take this tape off and put it back. I don't see any lady bag anymore, so I guess I don't have to worry. My sister texted, not texted, she sent me a message on Facebook last night. Oh my God, I'm really like, what? Yeah. My mom was pregnant. That's the sad thing about it, was pregnant. And the thing is, I'm shocked and I'm kind of like upset. We're all 7. She is menopausal already. For 2 months, she doesn't have, you know, monthly thing. So they went to the province and they ride a motorcycle. And that means, you know, it's ruggedy road. There's just not concrete, so everything is like bumpy. And what happened was, she miscarried when they get to the province. My aunt take care of her and stuff like that. Because she is bleeding like crazy. She was bleeding like crazy, so now she's back in Davao, and she went check up for the doctor to make sure, you know, it's clean and everything is okay, but she kind of really pale looking. So they give her medicine, I don't know, antibiotic, I don't know. I told my mom, don't take a lot of antibiotic because that's really dangerous. That's what happened to my aunt. It's sad. When I received that, guys, I kind of like a statue, like I can't move. My God, my brain is like thinking like, oh my God, we're gonna be all 8. All of us. I'm thinking, if it's a girl, I'm gonna be, you know, I have another sister. If it's a boy, I have another brother. It's like my brain is like, if it's like, I hope it's a baby girl. It's like, but I kind of really upset about it, like, oh my God. When I talked to my mom this morning, that means at night over there, I told her, do you still want a baby? Like, you have like grandkids already, like 1, 2, 3, 5 already grandkids, and you have to have your own kid. Oh my God. So I told her, go back to the doctor next time and check your kidney, because I just want her to check her kidney, because they have a family thing. Her father died because of kidney. My aunt, the last time when I went to the Philippines, you know that she died because of kidney. And they have that kidney problem, my mother's side. Tommy have a have a thing about Philippine bathroom. He has that thing like he need a real bathroom. I told him, you don't need a real bathroom. I used to just like, you know, like sit in the ground, you know, like a monkey. How do you call that? You sit, not like sitting down in the ground, but you bend over, not bend over also. Just sit in the ground the way you know, alam mo na sinabi ko, guys. Umupo ka lang doon sa mga hilit-hilit, so mga hilit-hilit sa mga ano, so yung mga may mga bushes doon sa mga damuhan. Doon ka magwiwi ka at saka kung gusto kang pumupo doon ka, magupo, magkuan ka, malibang ka doon. Malibang. Ano ba 'yan? You can use that as your toilet. It's free. All that is your toilet. And all you have to do is bring a gongal. All you have to do is pick up some grasses and wipe your ass. Filipino foresting area, gosh. And I just went outside to get the milk. The wind blew me away. Like I'm running and running because it's raining. The wind just like pushed me because it's really, how do you call that? It's very windy. I marinated, hold on guys, I'll put you right here. I put it in the oven that, you know, just in case there is a bug, the bug can get in. So I marinated some porky and I will fry it. After frying it, I will make it like adobo style. This is good to do it because there's kind of little fatty. Ito na yun, guys. After frying it, I am just put a lot of water and a lot of ground pepper and also onion and soy, and that's it. You know, it's marinated already, but I put a lot of water and mix with the soy in it, and that's it. And I will boil this until there's no more water, so to tenderize it. Hi guys, this is what it looks like right now. Almost. Just get upstairs here, guys. I can still hear the wind. Hi guys, good morning. My aunt was calling me early, so that's why I haven't vlogged upstairs. So I'm making my breakfast, so I have to, how do you call that? It's ice, look. Hi guys, tapos na akong kumain at ito lang, naglingkod-lingkod sa gamay sapa para mananaw. Oh, isda. Okay, hold on. I have to move this thing because it's keep banging to this other one here. It's just like they won't get along. They're just like, so I have to separate them because they don't get along. So I have to like separate it distance because or else they will just like keep fighting. No, what I'm talking about is like if I keep turning it keep hitting in this other side, and I don't want them keep doing this because you know that it's not a real leather, so it's gonna ruin quick. So I'm gonna do a shout out to Junalyn Porlanga. Hi Junalyn Porlanga. This vlog is gonna be late, but anyway, I'm just shout out you and Lilibeth and who else? And Lani Faltz and Rex Bernadette and Cora and Fatima Reese Castro. Hi. And also to Charlene Nibrada. Hi to you guys. These people are from YouTube, from my YouTube account, which is, you know, I just made that I think last week ago. I don't know. I forgot. I'm gonna call somebody on Facebook, which is I never talk to her, only on chat. Sometimes kita baka natulog na yun. Hi. Oy, nagunsa ka?
Nag-edit ako ng aking video. Nga.
Oy, base nakakuan ko ba? Disturbo ko.
Wala. Nandito ako nag-video. Ay, dili nag-edit ba gamay. Okay raman.
Dak-an na imong kuan, gamay ka dyan. Dakuan na imong video diha, edit-edit, gamay ka dyan.
Tamaran ako mag-edit. Ako bang video ba kay dugtong-dugtong lang niya. Humanda yun. Pag-ingon sa video kay dugay pa mahuwan kay ang amo ko lang mga murag kalainon na ko lang.
Ati ka ba, nag-film ko karon? Naka-film akong vlog.
Na ako sa imong vlog. Hello, hello, hello. The Tumbongera is here. Hello.
Kuan, kung gusto mo tanaw ni Mild Tumbongera, diya siya akong ikuan ihangalan ha. Ibutang nako sa ubos or na adre.
Butang lang sa ubos niya. Sub-sub mo sa ako ha. Kay sub-sub ko sa inyo. Mag-sub-suban ta.
Hala, pag sinubsub mo. Hi na lang si Inday Gudiday.
Hello, Inday Gariday! Nandito, si Ate Maryann, akong kasulti karon. Hello! Shout out, Inday, good buang-buangon na si Inday. Grabe na ito.
Ano mo isin?
Tanawa akong isin ka. Dira sa imo. Mapa kayo ne.
Sige, tanaw na to. Ibutang, okay ra ka mo ibutang sa vlog.
Okay ra na. Basta guwapa ka. Ginana niya. Unya usahay utawon pa ang picture kay wifi pang pambayad. And then, di ba niya, pagka-picture niya, kung dako kayo dito akong mata, kalain nun. Kaya sayang.
Hi guys, I'm back. I was talking to Miles like few hours, like almost 3 hours. Am I correct, Miles? I don't know. Miles Tumbongera, the girl on YouTube, the DJ. JD tumbong-tumbong, sub-sub doon, sub-sub dyan, sub-suban kayong lahat. Anyway, I was talking to her like, yeah, it's been hours. And I'm sorry, Miles, that my husband called. He called me just you know, just to check up on me, and I hung up on you. Oh my God, meron akong bugas nito, guys. Sobrang sakit. Bigas na mais. Bigas na humay. Masakit yung tiyan ko, guys. Iwan ko ba? Parang kidney ito. Kidney ba ito? Kidney. Thank you sa time, Miles. It's nice talking to you. It was really fun. I came upstairs to sort my makeup. Here is everywhere and everything is like scattered. So I'm gonna put everything, the makeup that I always carry with me and the makeup that I leave here. It's not really a lot. It's not really a big deal, but I just want to put it all together and put back the iron. The hair iron. So anyway, guys, it's scattered in your hair. Like, look, it's bungalits scattery. So I'm gonna, even my purse is right here, so I guess I have to bring it to the other room. Ay, goodness. Anyway, guys, I will see you when I'm ready to bed. And yeah, I'm just gonna finish this that I can lie down. I am freezing, to be honest with you. I am really cold, even here upstairs. But I kind of don't feel like turning the heat on. But Tommy told me I have to do it because he's worried if the pipes crack, because it's already super cold. Ano na lang, guys, bukas na lang ulit. Ano lang ako, ipahinga ko tong likod ko. Iwan ko ba kung bakit masakit yung likod ko? Hindi ko talaga alam. So I'm just taking out my socks and drop it on the floor for tomorrow's laundry. Anyway, guys, I will see you tomorrow. And well, tomorrow, that means in the next day, vlog will be uploaded. And so thank you guys so much all for watching. And anyway, before I go, thank you Mild Tumbongera for the time of talking to me. Yeah, I kind of like feel like talking. It's like, it's too much fun talking to you. You're like tuka tib. Anyway, we're both the same. But sometimes, you know, I'm thinking, what am I gonna say? And anyway, thank you guys so much, and thank you, Miles. I enjoy it. Next time again. And think about the collab also, if we're going to do a video call collaboration. And I'm thinking what to do. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye. Good night. Kulang learner's permit ko sa New York. Kinuha ko to 2009, no?